Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, I have a little bit of a repair job to do. I was working on my Versys 650 and I noticed this little tab, this little peg on this side cover has popped off. It's a pretty clean break. It still fits in pretty well if you get it lined up. There, see, it still fits in where it's supposed to go. So it's a very clean break. But the problem is that it's very thin plastic. So I'm sure you've seen those videos with the hot staple gun where they melt the staple into the plastic. Well, I don't think that I can really do that on this repair because it's so thin, and also this surface is not painted, it's just plastic, and I don't want to mess up this outside surface. So I am going to try a new product today that I haven't used yet. And that is this Weld plastic bonder. It's supposed to be for body panels, filling gaps, a structural adhesive for plastic to plastic. So I've used a lot of Weld in the past and it's always been great, so I have high hopes for this. So we'll get into this, and I'm gonna start by cleaning up the inside of this fairing and these mounting points. I'm gonna sand it down a little bit with some 220 just to give the adhesive some extra grip, and then we'll go from there. All right, first task is to clean up the inside of this fairing, get all the dust off of it. So I'm just using some denatured alcohol on a shop towel, and I'm just gonna wipe this off. All right, now that I've wiped everything off, I'm gonna take some 220 grit sandpaper, and I'm just gonna sand around all of the edges and all the surfaces that the glue is gonna go. I just want it to have an extra rough surface to grip to make sure that the repair lasts. So I'm just gonna go around and do all this little detail sanding. All right, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the broken off peg. All right, now that all our sanding is done, you're gonna want to clean the parts again, and you're gonna wanna get all that sanding dust off. I like using denatured alcohol to clean stuff because it evaporates really quickly, and that means that you don't have to wait for it to dry off before you start doing whatever it is you need to do. All right, so there's that. I don't know if y'all can see in the video, but I've sanded all around the edges, and that should give that glue something to bind to better. All right, both sides are cleaned up. Now, let's open this up. All right, so this is a two-part epoxy, so you have to open that up, squirt out roughly the same amount from each side of the tube, and then close it back up. There we mix it up. All right, once it's fully mixed, we're gonna start putting the adhesive on the fairing. The first thing I'm doing is just putting it on the actual broken edge. And then once I get this on, I want to build up the sides a little bit to give it some extra strength. Okay, let's get this set. That's where it needs to go. So now I'm going to take some more of the adhesive and just put it all along the sides. And I want it to have the strongest, like most built up seal and bond that it can have. I'm even gonna go in on the inside and put some on the inside. And now I'm just gonna leave it alone. It takes 15 minutes to cure. All right, I will probably let this cure off of the bike for about a week, and then we'll put it back on the bike. I'll ride it for about a month or so, and then we will check back in and see if it held. All right, see you guys in about a month. All right, so it looks like this repair has held up to a month of solid riding off-road, on-road with really no changes. So I'm pretty happy with how this came out. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you see when I post new videos. For now, I will see you guys next time.